Check it out. And I'm a professional, do it with my eyes closed. I heard your fridge is having issues. Don't worry, ma'am, here's a tissue. And I'm a professional. You can tell by my clothes. And I can fix that fridge from Bosch, Sub-Zero to General Electric. Pull out my secret weapon, and that's just my hands. You know why? Cause I'm the appliance repairman. I'ma fix that fridge. Hey. I'ma fix that fridge. Hey. I'ma fix that fridge. Hey. And I'm a professional, do it with my eyes closed. I'ma fix that fridge. Hey. I'ma fix that fridge. Hey. I'ma fix that fridge. I'ma fix that.
That's a really neat song.
Yeah?
Are you actually gonna work on the fridge?
Yeah, I'll just go get my tools. Warning: the characters depicted in this video are not actual technicians. Your technician will not sing you a song, nor tackle your Christmas tree, nor throw tissues in the air, nor jump in slow motion in front of your apartment, nor have your wife or kid throw their hands in the air.